Okay, let's continue with our series. So we have a 40-year-old woman who has an ovarian tumor with tubules, sieve-like spaces, and focal inhibin positivity. Most likely diagnosis is. So in this case, we have sieve-like spaces. So these are typical for wolffian tumors. Uh, so these wolffian tumors are female adnexal tumor of probable wolffian origin and is characterized by tubular and sieve-like architecture. They are weakly inhibin positive but are calretinin and CD10 positive. They mostly arise in the broad ligament or the hilum of the ovary. So Sertoli cell tumors appear without sieve-like spaces and are diffusely inhibin positive, whereas adult granular cell tumor has its own typical morphology, that is with called microfollicles called call external bodies and with FOXL mutation. Sterile cell tumors shows seeds of lipid-rich cells with no tubules. Let's do another question. An ovarian spindle cell tumor has a mitosis of greater than 4 per 10 high powerful but with no cytologicotypia. Most likely diagnosis in this case would be mitotically active fibroma, because in case of classic fibroma the mitosis is limited to 4 per 10 high powerful. So let's move on to the next question. A 25-year-old woman with virilization has ovarian tumor with sarcomatoid areas, heterologous cartilage, and 15 per 10 hyperpil mitosis. Most likely diagnosis in this case would be poorly differentiated Sertoli cell tumor, because in this case we have sarcomatoid areas, and also in this case virilization can be seen. Uh, Other options are easily ruled out. So let's move on to the next question. An ovarian tumor shows microcystic spaces, CD10 positive and inhibin negativity. Most likely diagnosis is. So in this case, the microcystic spaces hints us towards microcystic stromal tumor. Other options are easily ruled out. Adult granular cell tumor characterized by collectional bodies and are also inhibin positive. So this is also ruled out. Sclerosing stromal tumors and sterile cell tumors don't share the similar morphology, so these are easily ruled out. So sclerosing cell stromal tumors shows pseudo-lobular growth with edema, whereas sterile cell tumors shows melan A positivity with inhibin positivity.